Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. A washcloth holder. Here's some dishcloths. This one is the 15 pack. Has the washcloths here. Designed with loops for added scrubbing power. 100% organic content. Content keeps things clean and green. Extra soft, absorbent, and long lasting. So it's like that. And it comes with this crate here, so you can put the newer dish rags here, and people can use it. So if you're interested in this item, a link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.